Hello guys, welcome back to this. I remember it's a success Obona, your host on this traders journey. So guys, the market has been doing a lot lately, especially since this year, right? It's the flow has not just been it hasn't been so funny for a lot of traders out there, and this is why I come out here to share my analysis, I project the market and show you just what exactly the market is doing. And this is to help a lot of you guys who are coming up in the space, and those of you who are still struggling to really have a working strategy or a working trading plan. Right, this is why I come out here to share my analysis, my projections with you. And if you're just watching my video for the very first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, give this video a like or a thumbs up, because I am sure by the end of this video you'll be getting so much value for your time. All right, again, a big shout out to my students, my mentees, those who have been following through with my programs, the Forex Master Program, the Crypto Master Program, and the Master Program on Synthetics Indices, guys. Well, it's been an amazing journey with my students, especially those of them I've been taking since this year. But again, to access my courses, my books, mentorship program, the link is down below on the description section to access any of my courses or my books, right? Or do you want to reach out to me on a one-on-one basis, my WhatsApp contact is available on the description section. It's just down below. He's the WhatsApp contact, or send me an email. Let's chat on how I can help you become a better and a more profitable trader. And those who are looking out for, okay, Mr. Success, we don't have I might not really exactly have the time to trade and because of my work, but I'm willing to invest for on account management or fund management. Again, I think I'll be for those who are in this category, because I've been receiving a lot of messages from people who want me to manage funds for them and all that. Right, the WhatsApp contact is down. Right, it's down on the description section. Right, let's chat and discuss about that. Let's see how I can help you make some money from this shit. Right, let's see how I can help you make some money from this. So let's come back to the business of the day. Right, the market so far. What are we looking at for this week? There's a lot of crazy events happening this week. Today's Monday, right? So I think I'm looking Tuesday CPI news. A lot of crazy news events coming up. So CPI news is a major event which is coming up tomorrow, which is Tuesday. So what do I expect from CPI news? Right? The last time we had CPI, we had 0.3. The value was 0.3, and it was bullish. It was positive. CPI was positive on USD, and it was bullish, which means the market we expect the market crash, market falls, we had a serious fall, right? So tomorrow will be no different. I expect that CPI will be because of the elections coming up, right? I feel these guys will want to want to give us some positive data, or I want to project some positive data out there. So again, CPI, I expect CPI to be either maintain the same 0.3 we had all through for January, or we'll be seeing CPI at a little higher value than the previous, right? A little higher value than the previous. But I think my projection is 0.3 to 0.35. This is my projection on CPI tomorrow, which means some massive sales will be happening with CPI news on your way on the coins on the currency pairs where USD is the quote currency. And when USD is the base currency, it's going to be positive, it's going to be bullish, right? So massive sales on Euro USD, GBPUSD, AUUSD, massive buys on USD card and USD check, right? So this is my call on the news tomorrow, right? So overall, how is the market going to be flowing? How is it going to look like tomorrow? Again, this is the XY, right? So guys, I'm seriously sweating here because the fans and it's not working. It's not giving me some. Even the fan I'm using, I'm kind of far from the fan. I'm trying to decide to come closer, but doesn't give me the shit I want to say. So guys, let's go to just jump into this business, right? So from weekly time frame, you can see that the XY has been consistently positive, has been consistently bullish, right? So but then I marked at this area last week. That's okay. This is an area where I think market might be having a little difficulty, but we need to break. we got there and you can see the market was already experiencing the difficulty I projected from on this area. So we've not been able to successfully break it. Alright, so we've not been able to successfully, so we've been playing and dancing around this area. So one thing I've seen is that for every time we move up, we go sideways. So move up again, we go sideways. Move up, we go sideways. So now we're moving sideways. We're about to shoot up again. So hopefully the CPI news tomorrow will take USD up. But this to this zone, this is the zone where I cannot be looking at reversal. Any kind of reversal will be from this area. I think it will be from this area around this region. So for now, I think it's gonna keep shooting up. Right. So currently there are a lot of indecisions and a lot of traders have lost a lot of money around this area. Around this area. Right. A lot of traders have lost money because what the XY has been doing here. Go to the forward time frame so you see clearly. So anything is buying, it's selling. Anything is selling, it's not buying. So it is difficult to really want to hold your positions for long. Right. You want to just make after every significant move, you just want to take your profits after some significant move. For this not the time you want to really stay on that position for long. If you're trading like that, trust me, you'll be making money and giving it back to the market. Or you're just making money and giving it back to the market. So this what the XY has been doing here has been killing a lot of accounts. This event here has been killing a lot of accounts, killing a lot of accounts, right? So that again, this is why patience is a big deal in this space, right? Patience is a big deal, right? When the flow is not flowing, don't you self don't flow. When the flow is not flowing, please don't enter, don't dive in, right? You don't want to be a part of a turbulent, a flow that is not stable. You get drowned when the flow of the river is not uh consistent. It's just going like this, zoom, 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 zoom. Trust me, you get drowned. So this is what the market is doing right now. It's going up, down, up. So a lot of traders have been drowned. A lot of accounts have been drowned around this area. So you would want to avoid being, you want to avoid that from happening to you. So so in case you're taking any good position, please ensure you take quick profits. You take profits quickly, or if you want to take profit quickly, trail your profits. Again, take profit if you want to survive this week, trail your profit, or if you want to survive the market this period, actually, trail your profit. Don't joke with that. Trail it. Trail your profits. Trail it. Trail your profits. Please trail your profits, right? Again, I think that reminds me to talking about something, the trade and grow rich challenge. I think it's going to be happening. It will be resuming this week by God's grace on the trade and grow rich challenge. So some of you who are here to connect to my corporate trading solution. Whew, you're missing a lot because some of you have been seeing some of my personal trades. It has been some. I've been catching some very nice moves. Really, I've been catching some very nice moves in the market. And over the years, we've learned and we've been better. We've been better in the space, right? I've learned a lot and I've evolved a lot. I've evolved a lot. That's the truth, right? So let's look at JPY baskets. What's this dude saying? See how I am sweating. God. So this video has not been clear, and this area is an area it needs to be clear to be sure that it's going down or from here on my river. So I want to be very careful with JPYPS right now. I really want to be careful. So I would want to expect a reversal from here to the upside to be sure that okay, price wants to pull back, take us back, or if it wants to, it needs to clear this green level, this area, in fact, this whole area needs to clear to be sure that it's dropping down. Anything outside that, I don't want to be involved in any JPYPS on this. So look at Euro USD. So what is Euro USD saying from the weekly time frame first? So Euro USD has been bearish, right? So all these grammars you guys are saying, just like Euro USD has been bearish, right? It's just that this area is one area that seems to be giving it a little position, but definitely this guy has just been bearish for weeks. That just been falling for you. Falling for. This guy just been falling for everybody since, right? So you can see it. It has been falling, falling, falling. So I think it's going to be breaking this area. I already mapped it should in case. So I just observe what the market is really, really doing. So because I know this area was as one stubborn area. So we go there and I can see price is kind of moving a little, pulling back up, but definitely there'll be a break. I expect to see a drop. I expect to see a drop. I don't expect to see a reverse around here. The market is reversed. Although this is the daily time frame, it has been building. They've just been going bullish somehow, but I still want because of the overall flow. The overall flow is bearish. You can see it. This guy is bearish. So although this area is one area that's nice, but I will still want to favor the BS on this. I would still want to favor the BS on this. Still want to favor the BS on this. I don't want to take any chances. Okay, we just take this from here. This is so long move. Okay, BS is better. So I would want to still favor the BS from here. So you might just do Saka to this trend line, the third touch. This is the first touch. So okay, third, let me do this trend line before we drop. Or we could even drop from here. So CPI news is very important. What's going to be happening in CPI news? So the data news may help us to break this area or we bounce again from here. And if that happens, definitely then I want to start looking for more buys to pull it back to this zone. But for now, I think I'm still actually favoring the BS. So for day traders, I've thrown a trend line for you guys, so you guys can want to catch this guy, buy from here, maybe to this trend line carefully before you close positions around here. So you want to buy, this is like a free signal for you people, right? For the scalpers and day traders, this is like a signal for you guys to get involved in the buys on EU buy this zone, this point or this trend line. Right, so this is that for EU, right? This is that for EU, but EU has really dealt with a lot of traders, anyways. A lot of traders. So it's really dealt with a lot of traders. When you think it's buying, boom. When you think it's buying again, ooh, and it's going back up again. Find out another crazy drop, boom. That will take all your money out, right? So it's not easy. So that's why always take profits. Always trade your profits. Trail your profits. Please trail your profits. So let's catch GBPUSD. GBPUSD has been giving a lot of traders heart attack. A lot of traders heart attack. For some of them, a lot of traders have almost given up on forex because of GBPUSD. GBPUSD has been looked at in the weekly time frame, showing that guy is not going anywhere. He's just been sideways, choppy, right? It's just been sideways and choppy. Just been sideways and chopping people's money up and down, right? So look at GBPUSD been sideways, then broke, we came back to this area and we're pulling back up. So this area, this area here I marked here is very important to me. I feel this is like a break retest and we might drop down. Like CPI might make us drop down, or but if that doesn't happen, it will take us to this zone which is a very good sell zone. This area is a very good sell zone. I don't joke with this area, right? Which is a very good sell zone. So you want to be patient to see what happens, or take the bets on this area to see, right? So you can see today is Monday. Those who are trying to short on Monday, who did not take profit on time, you can see this is second let it back all that profit they've made, right? This bullish candle here has taken back all that profit they've made. So you want to be very, very, God. Let me not say anything, Sha. Not say anything. But please always take profits, always trade your profit in this market this season. So you can see this is forward time frame on GBPUSD. You can see how the market is not just marketing at all. Right? You can see how the market is not just marketing. Right? So you want to be very, very, very careful. And if you must trade this kind of market, if you must, ensure you're not going all in. Be very cut down on your lot, cut down on your lot sizes. Most of you pro from accounts or life funded accounts. Cut down on your lot sizes, right? Risking less until those big moves start to happen, until the market starts moving, flowing the way it should. For now, please cut down on your lots. sizes. So let's see. This is GBPUSD. It's not just giving at all. It's not just giving. So from daily time frame, you can see that this guy is just building, but you got here this area that has been struggling with to either bounce or break, right? So we've just been around this. We've just been flat around this area, right? It doesn't flat. So I feel we might see a drop at this point to give us a double bottom that before we reverse am. This is what I'm saying. So some people don't understand. You can get here before, then another drop on GU. So this is what I expect on GU. This is what I expect on GU. So let's look at AUD/USD. So AUD/USD, what is going on? AUD/USD has been giving a lot of traders some more. So those we have been bearish until we go to this area. So to go to this area, it has been crazy on AUD/USD, right? Price has not just been giving all those nice flows you would want to see. You can see from here, from every time we move sideways to drop, now move sideways and all, and we're around here. So I think a drop is imminent on AUD/USD, even though 4 hour time frame is trying to tell us a different story. That we have a double bottom and this is a neckline. So she's expecting it to be more bullish, which sounds like which looks like a nice story. Anyways, it's actually a nice story. The thing this one where I'll have to say give you guys this expo, right? Should I reserve it for my students or should I give it to you? Okay. Let me just tell you this, right? The best setups to trade are those who have who have who have the better story, who are telling a better story. Again, I take that again. The best setups to trade are those who have a clear story that you can understand. You can see the story that the market is painting, the setup is painting. Just flow with that story and you make all the money. So some of you who saw this possible double bottom, we have taken it by now, we have been on good profit to this neckline. So whatever happened on this neckline is a 50-50 thing. We can either break or bounce from here. But with this momentum, I see might be breaking and going bullish on AUD/USD. Right, so this is it on AUD. So you can see that AUD/USD has been following this trend adapted around here from the 1 hour time frame. Just although most sideways at the time, I thought okay, this guy was going to drop, but again, you can see the bulls came again and took it up. Right. So guys, this is just for you to know. I will see how the market is playing. Right, how the market is playing. So basically, I only trying to short, though because we are in a major zone, you want to short, but I won't advise you to short here, to wait. Right, we don't want to be in a hurry. Wait and observe. Let the coast be clear before you do anything. Right, let the coast be clear before you do anything. So that is that on AUD/USD, and the next thing I want to look at is gold. So you can see gold has not been sending anybody's papa. Gold has just been golding. Right, let me remove this trend line. So even if it looks from the weekly time frame, you can see that we have broken this supposed okay, this was the trend I captured on gold, and you can see it has been testing to finally we have broken it. So gold is looking ready to drop for some massive drop. Gold is looking ready for some massive drop. But I won't want to be so fast to conclude. I want to see it clear this area. But I want to see gold actually clear this area. This is an important area. I want to see it clear. Here, because you can see we go there again. It's looking like we are trying to bounce. So we are getting shy of it. So this is an area. Although gold is looking nice, like okay, we want to clear, wants to sell massively, but this is an area. I think this range from this green bar here to this box, to this rectangular block, is a range I need the gold to clear. Right? For some of you clear, so you can see how the market is clear. I'm just how you seeing this thing? How are you picturing? Like, so somebody say I make forex look so easy. I see as though it's ABC. It's actually ABC, but let me guys overcomplicate it with different indicators and all that. And this is what we do in the Forex Master Program. We'll make it so simple like A, B, C for even the blind to be able to trade it and make money. Right? So that's why it's called the mastery program, where you are taught to trade like a master. Right? So this is it. This is that on gold. So what play this. If you can break below, then I'll be going so short on gold. You can clear this area. You can clear this zone. I'll be going so short on gold. Right? Oil. Do you have anything to say about oil? Oil, 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 oil. Somebody say oil. Whew. Oil is really not back. It's recovering. Oil is on a recovery state. So I don't want to say much about oil right now. It's not basically what I want to say much about. But clearly, oil is going back to this. This is an area I want oil to break before I can conclude that okay, well, this guy is set to for business until clear this area, this between this zone and this bar. You can clear it. If oil can clear this from this point to this point, you can clear it, clear above this resistance, then fine. Clear above it, then I want to take out that bullish. I want to ride gold, oil up. I mean, if oil can take up this, then I would love to see oil at 93, 90k, 90k, 90 plus per barrel, right? So, but then I feel oil might get here and drop again. I feel oil might get here to this zone, might ride to this zone, this area, and still crash back down. But I know some persons already have their orders around here, around this area waiting. So this one area I want to see oil. I want to see oil around this area before I do or say anything. That's what happened. Let's say I survive or breaks above this area. But this way I think I want to see oil for a possible short, or if it breaks it, then I want to go long on oil. Right? So that's all about oil. The next is BTC. So this is the rave of the moment, BTC. Oh, BTC clearly showing us how the game is played. Clearly breaking above the 48k mark, and definitely we are seeing we're about to see 50k. This video is at 49.9 something. We're about to witness BTC at 50k and 50k plus. So definitely, guys, you heard it here for the first time. Well, so for some of you it might be the first time. Some of you might have seen it, but again, the bulls are showing their strength, right? The bulls, we are actually in the bull season. Is the die is cast, and the bull season is on, right? So some of you who have refused to still believe that the bull season is on, I don't know what to say to you, but it's actually on, right? There must be some pullbacks on the way, but definitely the bull season is definitely on. The bull season is definitely on, guys. It's definitely on. I think this is just touch 50k. I touch 50k mark. It I touch 50k mark. So guys, the bull season is on. So there's nothing anybody should tell you. So all of you have been pessimistic about BTC. Who have been saying no, BTC is still gonna fall to 10k or 20k. Oh yeah. How does Mr. Macaroni say it himself? Oh yeah. Think you are doing me. So guys, this is the next target for BTC 60k. Check it or leave it. That's the next target. If you break that, we're gonna be seeing a new high. We're gonna be seeing a new high on BTC. So guys, I think that's all I have to say. This is what I have to share with you guys for this week. So guys, let's see how CPI plays out tomorrow. And again, some of you who are just watching my video for the first time, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. This way you can afford to miss my videos. You can afford to miss my videos. Trust me, I know it's very educating, and if not, at least you've gotten something new today, right? So therefore, but then most importantly, right, ensure you don't leave, you don't watch this video finish. After watching this video, go and sign up for my mentorship program. Go and sign up for my courses. Go and get my books. The Forex Master program. These are my courses. The Crypto Master program, synthetics indices master program, right? And also get my books. The technical playbook from Q1 to Q4 for Forex traders, and the traders, my the sec the se my tongues my tongue I'm going to bite my tongue on my own books again. The Trader Psychology Bible, right? These are the two books you must get. The Trader Psychology Bible and the Technical Playbook from Q1 to Q2 to Q4, 4 quarters in a year for Forex. So that please ensure you get these books, sign up to my programs, educate yourself, help yourself to make money from this market, right? Like myself and my guys are doing already. So guys, I've been seeing you guys when I see you guys. So have a great trading week uh ahead, guys. Have a great trading week ahead.